You're doing good? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to record on Audacity with USB mic. Once you have connected the USB microphone to your device, you're going to open Audacity. You want to ensure that you did not have the app open before connecting your microphone. So if you did, you're going to close the app and then reopen it. After opening Audacity, you're going to tap on Audio Setup from the top navigation bar. Then you're going to tap on recording device. And at the moment you can see right here that it is not selected for the USB microphone that I'm using. So I'll simply select it. After you have selected it, all you need to do now, you can tap on the red dot to start recording. And that's it. After tapping on the red dot, you'll now be able to record using your USB microphone. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.